Welcome to the channel. Today I'm changing the pistol grip on my AK from this to this. Part 2 of AK build series, pistol grip replacement. Legal disclaimer: I am not a professional. I do not have a license, or am I certified to work on firearms. All mods you see me do, I learned on YouTube. I just combine what I learned to fit my preference. What you do to your AK, you do at your own risk. And at no time during the making of this video was the firearm loaded. Use caution when handling any firearm. The first thing we're going to do is field strip this thing. Remove the clip. Now for the grip, you don't have to remove the cleaning rod, but because I'm going to replace the furniture, I'm removing it anyways. Remove the top cover by pushing this button in the back of it. Lift up on the cover from the back, then pull it out of the way. Now we can remove the spring. To do that, keep your hand on it. Push it in. The spring is loaded, so be careful. Lift up and back to remove it out of the way. Now we can remove this part. Cock it back and it will come out. Set it to the side. Now with that out of the way, you can see the piece where the grip is screwed to. Pistol grips come in different configurations. You just have to see how it's attached. This one unscrews from the bottom with a flathead screwdriver. Take this out. I like to reattach it back to the grip just to keep it together. This is a rubber pistol grip. To me, a rubber grip feels better in the hand than a plastic one. I got this from a local gun show. It has a logo on the side, but I can't make out the manufacturer. I paid like $15 for it. This grip has a hole in the bottom and the screw is way down in there. You'll need a large Phillips head screwdriver to loosen it and tighten it. It looks like it has a similar piece that goes in the rifle, like the last grip. Unscrew it. Now when you install this, you have to install it like this. You see this has a slant to it? That's because the grip has a slant to it. So you want to install it like this. The best way to do this is like this. Don't put the screw in tight. You just want to use it as a temporary handle to set it in place. Make sure the angle is correct. If it is, hold it and take the screw out. Keep the piece in place. Carefully set the rifle down. Now we can put the screw in the grip. Use a screwdriver to hold it in place. See how I'm holding this? My hand is holding the screwdriver and the grip. At the same time, I'm applying pressure upwards on the screw to keep it in place. Now apply Loctite on the screw. Watch out, Loctite is real runny. Now I'm going to hold this while I put it together. It's a bit tricky, but once the threads catch, you're golden. I don't have a specific torque. I'm just going to tighten the hell out of it. Okay, that's how you install the new grip. If that's all you're doing to your rifle, Reverse the step to reinstall what you took off. Stay tuned to the channel to see how I install these other parts to the rifle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, peace.